You're what? Why? This is the B-Dubs method of putting deodorant on.
I'm glad you're happy. Oh, that's my better deodorant.
Oh, B-Dubs.
My too obvious.
She's very concerned.
Daddy, why does it make
Check out that apple around her neck. She's such a glutzo. Oh, B-Dubs. Dubs, what makes a deodorant better? I used to use that when I was like 5.
Sour Fresh is better than powdered first.
Uh-huh. I see. Dubs, you're being very boring. Do you have any interesting talents?
I can do No, I just...
Dubs.
Wait, I think you guys should put on your little show.
Our show?
Yeah.
I don't know if we can handle the show.
Lindy!
Here comes Miss America.
Lindy Velocity. Put on your show for the camera.
Miss
Oh
America.
my god, shoes.
These shoes are $300.
No.
These shoes are $300.
Get
These shoes are $300 fucking dollars.
Let's get them!
These shoes real. These shoes suck.
Israeli Palestinian conflict muffins.
Imaginary muffins.
Yeah.
I told you I can't do it. My roommate, ladies and gentlemen, get a zoom up. Show him the brows, Sam's gel.
To the brows without the gel.
I know, it's really sad.
Maybe this weekend we'll see them with them.
Ooh, saucy.
Maybe they will be.
Wait, hold on. I told you it's for the special.
See the difference? Note the
I told you it's a special.
innocence
For
around
special
that.
occasions.
Notice the pearls.
She wonders why people consider her sweet and
Notice the eyes.
Here, look.
Always
Hello.
open.
Hold on. Hello, world. I'm not sweet innocent. Okay.
Why are you not, B-Dubs? Do you want to announce to the world about the incident?
Why do you explain the political incident?
Yeah.
No.
Uh-oh. She's not going to pronounce her. Bloody muffins! Oh, boy.
Oh my god, this is gonna be blood. This is gonna be like that thing. Oh my god, guys, that's just such a cute picture. What?
Yeah, too bad it's a video.
What was I gonna say? The whole Bertha thing? No, Bertha's dead. R.I.P.
Bertha Unleashed.
Yeah.
I think we're
What did I
unleashing.
do?
Oh yeah, like, say hi to the camera.
Hey! I can't do it. What is it? Hey!
She did it! Hey,
When I was doing an acapella for my school,
Oh god.
me and two of my friends were doing the line stage and I was the bass. You know how that whale noise from Finding Nemo?
No.
Ooh! I couldn't do it. Like, ooh! No, seriously, ask my friends.
What
happens when you put a camera in front of
Oh my god, and I'm little.
No wonder why you wanted to be an actress.
I know, right? I had a puppet and it was a frog and I would make noises in front of the camera. I'd be really good in the world. Are you in the library?
Yeah.
Oh, you are? Right now?
Yep. Are you in the library?
Peace out, homie G's. It's library time. This is what college is all about.